Listen. That sound. That's the sound of every failed vlog, every ruined travel shot, every cinematic dream killed by shaky hands. For years, getting professional, butter-smooth footage meant renting gear that costs more than your car. But what if the game has changed? We got our hands on 2026 most intelligent gimbals, ones with AI tracking, self-correcting motors, and modes that literally do their work for you. We ran, we sprinted, we even attached one to a skateboard. And one of these stabilizers produced footage so flawless, so impossibly smooth, you won't believe it wasn't shot on a Hollywood crane. Number 1. FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro. Lightweight build, versatile compatibility. The FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro is designed with a lightweight architecture that allows for easy portability, making it an ideal companion for traveling content creators. Its versatile compatibility means that it can effortlessly support a range of devices including mainstream mirrorless cameras, compact cameras, smartphones, and action cameras. This adaptability ensures that content creators can meet their innovative visions without the added stress of selecting the appropriate equipment for each shoot, allowing for a more streamlined shooting experience. AI tracking, instant response and 360 degrees infinite tracking. This product boasts an impressive maximum tracking distance of 18 meters, making it suitable for capturing subjects at a significant distance with ease. Powered by advanced AI tracking 4.0 technology, the SCORP Mini 3 Pro employs a highly optimized tracking algorithm capable of delivering an ultra-fast response time of just 0.003 seconds. Number 2. FeiyuTech SCORP 3 Gimbal Stabilizer. The SCORP 3 is an innovative gimbal designed with advanced features that make it easy for creators to capture stunning visuals. One standout feature is its built-in AI tracking module, allowing users to effortlessly track subjects without the need for external accessories. By simply powering on the device, you can start shooting immediately, ensuring you remain the focal point of your shots. The gimbal also comes with gesture control capabilities, enabling remote shooting and creative framing with just a hand gesture, eliminating the need for any physical interaction with the device during operation. Another significant aspect of the SCORP 3 is its ergonomically designed, detachable teapot-style handle. This thoughtful design ensures that users can maintain comfortable and smooth control over the gimbal during operation. When the handle is detached, it transforms into a remote control, allowing filmmakers to adjust parameters and settings as if they had an entire crew working for them, all while operating solo. Number 3. Hohem iSteady MT2 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. The reversible AI tracking module is an innovative device that allows for seamless control using intuitive gestures. This technology ensures that users can maintain focus on both the front and rear cameras without the need for an app or any Bluetooth connectivity, making it particularly advantageous for daily vloggers and social media influencers. Moreover, it features an adjustable CCT RGB fill light that enhances visibility during low light conditions, significantly improving the quality of footage captured in the dark. In terms of compatibility, the iSteady MT2 camera stabilizer is designed with versatility in mind. It can accommodate a range of devices including smartphones, compact cameras, action cameras, and full-frame mirrorless cameras. Weighing only 1.44 pounds, this stabilizer can support a payload of up to 2.65 pounds, and it is compatible with cameras that have dimensions up to 5.27 inches in width, 3.96 inches in height, and 6.94 inches in total thickness including lens length. For those interested in checking the compatibility of their specific camera models, a detailed compatibility sheet is available for reference. Number 4. FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro. The FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro Combo Kit is an essential package for videographers and photographers looking to enhance their shooting experience. It includes several must-have accessories that cater to various shooting scenarios. Among these is a versatile 10.8-inch extension rod that enables users to capture high-angle shots or selfies with ease, providing an extended reach for creative angles. Additionally, it comes with a durable carry case that makes it easy to transport all the gear during travels, ensuring that everything is protected and organized. For those nighttime shoots, an adjustable fill light is included, which is crucial for illuminating subjects in low light conditions, making sure your footage remains vibrant and detailed. Also, there is an articulating arm that allows for flexible mounting options for mics or lights, enhancing audio and visual quality during recordings. Number 5. FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro. The SCORP Mini 3 Pro is an advanced stabilization gimbal specifically optimized for mirrorless cameras, ensuring it caters to creators who utilize lenses up to 50mm. This device is designed to provide exceptional stability and ease of use for filmmakers and photographers who require precise control over their shots. One standout feature is its detachable handle, enabling users to operate the gimbal from a distance. This is particularly advantageous for solo creators, as it allows for remote control of the gimbal's movements. The handle is equipped with an integrated OLED display, which provides a user-friendly interface for adjusting key settings directly on the device without the need for an external app. This level of convenience enhances the user experience by streamlining the filming process. In terms of technology, the SCORP Mini 3 Pro includes the latest AI 4.0 tracking module. This enables lightning-fast subject tracking with an impressive response time of just 0.003 seconds. The gimbal can effectively track subjects up to 18 meters away, making it an ideal choice for dynamic content creators who require smooth and intelligent framing for their videos or photography. That's the stabilizer that's going to upgrade every shot you take. To get that cinematic look in your own videos, all the product links to buy or check out these 2026 gimbals are in the description below. What's the smoothest shot you've ever gotten? Tell me in the comments. If this review saved you from wasting money on the wrong gear, do me a huge favor, hit like, share this with a creator who needs it, and subscribe. Next week, we're testing a 2026 camera that claims to see in the dark, and the footage will make you question reality.